Good morning, students. Today we are going to see the stoichiometric calculation. So, what does mean by stoichiometric calculation? Means stoichiometry is the quantitative relationship. Okay, so quantitative relationship means quantitative based on the relationship of number between the reactant and product in the balanced chemical equation. Okay, this is the is called as the quantitative reaction. Quantitative means you are going to calculate the number of moles between the reactant and product, the balanced chemical equation. Already you know the chemical equation. In the balanced chemical equation, now we are going to calculate the number of moles is called as the stoichiometric relation. The quantity of the reactant and product can be expressed in mole, mass and volume. So okay, now you are going to calculate that quantitative values. Now you are going to express the units are moles. Term is moles, mass and volume. Three types of unit you have expressed. Okay, there are three units. That three units interconvertible. Now you are going to change the mole to mass to volume to mole. Okay, the three units are you have interconvertible. Okay, now you have interconvertible. You have some equation you have. Okay, so you take the mass. Now the mass you are going to convert the number of moles means the mass you are divided by the molar mass. Some the mass you are going to divide the molar mass, the mass changes into mole. Okay, now the mole changes into mass means some number of moles you are multiple by the molar mass. The number of moles is changes into mass. Now you are going to change the number of moles, you are going to change the volume means the number of moles multiplied by 22.4 liter is changes into volume. Now you are going to volume, you have volume. The volume you are going to change in the mole means the volume you are divided by 22.4 liter. The volume is automatically changes into number of moles. Now you have some example you have. So the example, so take the reaction, the combustion of reactions of methane reaction. So methane react with the oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water. This is the combustion reactions of methane. So now we are going to change the mass you are going to change the number of moles. So number of moles you are going to change the mass, and mass number of moles you are going to change the volume in this equation. Now we are going to see the tabular column. Okay, so this is the equation. CH4 react with the 2O2 CO2 plus 2H2O. Now this is the reactant, this is the product. Now this is the reactant, this is the product. Reactant you have CH4 O2, product you have CO2 and H2O. The stoichiometric coefficient means number of moles of reactant is called as the stoichiometric coefficient. Methane you have number of moles 1 mole, so you write the 1. Oxygen you have 2 moles, you write the 2. Carbon dioxide you have 1, so you write the 1. Water you write the number of moles, you write the 2, so you write the 2. Mole relationship, so 1 mole, 2 mole, 1 mole, 2 mole. In the mass relationship means the mass you are going to convert it into number of mole, or number of mole you are going to convert into mass is called as the mass relationship. Now you have number of moles. In the number of moles you are changes into mass means what is the formula? You have number of moles, but you are going to change the mass means number of moles you are multiple by the molar mass. Multiple by the molar mass, automatically number of moles changes into the mass. Now you have number of moles 1 mole. 1 mole methane. What is the molar mass for ethane means the mass number, carbon mass number is 12. CH4 you are going to calculate the molar mass number. Carbon mass number is 12. Already know carbon mass number is 12. Hydrogen mass number is 1. but you have 4 hydrogen. அப்போ 12 plus 4 is equal to 16. அப்போ இந்த mass number molar mass of methane is equal to 16. அப்போ you are going to multiple the number of moles, you are multiple by the molar mass. அப்போ number of mole is 1, so molar mass is 16, so number of mass is 16 gram. Okay, 16 gram. Next we are going to calculate the oxygen O2. So 1 oxygen, so molar mass number is 16. So 2 oxygen means 16 into 2. 1 mole mass number is 1 oxygen mass number is 16. So you have 2 oxygen. 16 into 2 is equal to 32. Here how many oxygen you have in this equation? You have 2 oxygen. So 2 into 2 into 32 is equal to 16 gram. Okay, next we are going to calculate the carbon dioxide CO2. So carbon already you know the mass number is 12. Oxygen, so 1 oxygen is 16 and 2 oxygen means 32. 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 gram. You have how many carbon dioxide you have? You have only one carbon dioxide. 1 into 44 is equal to 44 gram. Another one is you are going to calculate the water. Molar mass of water is equal to H2O. So H2O, hydrogen already you know the hydrogen mass number is 1. You have 2 hydrogen, but 2 plus oxygen mass number is 16. 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. So you have how many moles of water you have? You have 2 moles of water. 2 into 18 is equal to 36 gram. Okay, now you are going to convert the number of moles. You are going to convert the mass. Okay, now in this reaction, mass of the reactant is equal to mole into molar mass of the reactant, the volume of the product. Now you are going to change the volume. All the volumes are you are going to change in the all the product are you are going to change in the volume. Where you are going to change the volume means, so already you know the number of moles of product. Number of moles of product is 1 mole, 2 mole. Now the mole is you are going to convert the volume means, so you are multiple by the 22.4 liter. Okay, so here you have 1 mole means, so 1 into 22.4 liter. So you have 2 mole means 2 into 22.4 liter. Liter means 44.8 liter. Okay, next we are going to have the volume relationship. Volume relationship means all the reactants and product are changes into the volume. Now already you know the number of moles of reactant. Number of moles of reactant is 1 mole of CH4, 2 moles of oxygen. 1 mole, so number of the number of moles. You know the number of moles.